Yeah, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be riding on a boat and going crabbing. It's going to be so fun. I'll volunteer to drive, I guess. Dad, every time you drive, you just complain. Yeah, this baby can burn some rubber. Oh, yeah. Bowser, slow it down. Time to put this baby in full gear. I know what will make you better. A little kiss. Bowser, you gotta slow this thing up. How did you like that, guys? I call that the super fast mode. Bowser, you caused me pain. You caused me pain. Man, this boat trip really. This boat trip. Luigi. Bro, Luigi. Stop it. Stop it now. Luigi, I'm gonna push you off the boat. Luigi, I'm gonna get you. Ew, that's gross. Here, Luigi, a little kiss will make you feel better. Okay, guys, I just parked the boat. Good. Does that mean we could go crabbing soon? I'm so mad. Bowser jumped so fast and then he moved me away and it made me sad. I love you. I love you too. Bowser, put the boat in full acceleration again. Okay, Mario, whatever you say. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, not again! Here's the full acceleration, baby! Dad, why do you torture us? No! I'm tired of this! Die me! Oh no! How dare you hit my Luigi Boo with a fly swatter! No, give me that. Die, you little piece of poopy looking! Park the boat? These other boaters are little. You can't be using that kind of language! Well, they deserved it, Mario! I'm so angry! Don't worry, Bowser Boo. I just put the anchor in the water. Yeah, it's like I can't really see it, which is making me really angry. Oh, wait, the boat stopped. Finally. Oh, thank you, Bowser Jr., for putting the anchor down. Princess Peach, kiss. Yes. Finally, we can go crabbing. That took forever. Okay, so the camera's going to cut, and these crab traps are going to be filled with bait. Ready? Time to throw the crab trap in. Yay! Yay! So what should we do while we wait for the crabs to come in the little crab trappy boo-boos? Let's vote someone to throw overboard. Yeah, I say we vote Mario. Fine by me. Checks out. Whoa. Mario, any last words before you get thrown overboard? Yeah. Why are we doing this? Oh yeah, here's an empty water bottle for you. Here you go. But this is bad because Team Seas and this is pollution. Hashtag Team Seas. Fine, then you don't get the water. No! I don't like this. Okay, let's check a trap now. Let's see what's in it. Oh no! I don't see it. Guys, help! I'm climbing. Oh, I'm never doing that again. This just great. You know, I'm gonna swim back up. Oh, this was... Oh, I just swam back up. Checking the second crab trap. Let's see. One. Oh, water just got on my face. Nothing? Oh, just a fish tail that got partially eaten. Where's my spatula? It's a fly swatter. It's right there. Well, where is it so I can slap Goomba in the face? Well, I'm not giving up till Goomba gets his proper beating and we catch a crab. We can talk about this, Mario, please. Oh, why? Bowser, you two, for going too fast. And Bowser Jr. for existing. And finally, Luigi. And Princess Peach. Everyone gets a beating today. And myself. You know what? I'm getting tired of this. You two go overboard. I don't want to see you two ever again. Well, I know we're not ever seeing them again. Okay, I'm checking the crab trap because I didn't get to. Oh, yeah. Come on, please. Nothing! Oh. Okay. Hey, let's see what's in this crab trap. I'm gonna check it. Okay, pulling. Two little Krabby Wabbies! Oh, yay! It looks like one's a female with eggs and another one's a male. Wait, female! I sent for you! It's a female species! I need a wife! I need a spouse! Please, marry me! Marry me! I'm so happy! Yay! Guys, we did it! Bye, crabs! I just set them free, guys, don't worry. Hey, we're back. We just climbed up. No! That's it! I'm ending the video right now. Hey, we're back from underwater. That's it! I'm tired of you! I'm ending the video. Well, this is the end of the video. Can you guys subscribe, please? It would mean a lot. Yeah, see that button right there? Yeah, click that and subscribe. Bye!